In this video, traders, we're going to look at streaming stocks to watch. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. Right, so since the coronavirus, a lot of people have decided to really get more aggressive with consuming of streaming type entertainment. So movies, films, sometimes games, but using the technology improvement in broadband speeds, in kind of computers, in laptops, in tablets to basically say, you know what, I don't need an aerial anymore, I don't need a Sky dish or satellite dish, I'm gonna stream stuff. And literally guys, if you've got a quick enough internet connection, you know yourself, I know myself, that actually on-demand type things, streaming stuff is way better than live TV. Who sits and watches live TV anymore unless it's a sports game or something that you're waiting to watch? Not many people that I know. Everyone uses catch up, everyone streams stuff, some people don't watch television anymore anyway. So this is a war that is going on, and who is going to win it? And many companies are involved in this. Some of them, of course, they've got other products and other services, and this is a small section, but could become a real beast in their portfolio and profitability and take up a big chunk of the margin they're making. Other companies, they're solely dedicated on it. So let's look at some of the stocks that perhaps are worth considering if you're interested in kind of investing in the streaming revolution. If you consider that this is here to stay and it's only going to get better, maybe you pick one or two of these as a winner, or maybe you buy a basket of these and kind of have a portfolio, a streaming stock portfolio. Or let's stick on the other side of it, perhaps you think it's overblown, perhaps you think there's too much competition, perhaps you think people are going to get fed up with streaming stuff, get bored of it, and you think these are potentially a short opportunity. Who knows? That's for you to decide, guys. I'm just bringing it to your attention, some of these stocks. Okay, so the first one is Apple TV. Personal opinion of Apple TV is it's not that good. You may this is completely personal opinion. I think I got it. You get it free when you kind of bought an iPad or something, free tester of it, free trial of it. I don't think it was that good. There's nothing there I particularly want to watch. Maybe I'm missing out on something. Let me know in the comment section below if there's something I should be watching. I'm not a big consumer of box sets anyway. I did like Billions, that was pretty decent, but nothing really on Apple TV for me. Amazon Prime, or Amazon, their Prime, you get this included actually, I don't know if it's the same in the US, but in the UK, you buy Prime, which gives you next day delivery and same day delivery and certain items, you actually get access to Prime Library. Now, when you're kind of using a Fire Stick or whatever you use to search, not much stuff comes up for Prime when I'm looking. They've also got the facility, actually it's easy to rent a movie, so a newer movie comes up, you can rent it from Amazon. Most of the time that's the way that it seems to pop up. There's probably some stuff and box sets and stuff on Prime that aren't elsewhere, and that's the danger I think of these streamings, from personal opinion, so fragmented. A box set's on here that someone says is worth watching, a program's on here, program's on this, and of course free market, guys. I'm up for the free market. I think that's great. I think, you know, that's how it all works. Someone bids one price for a box set, someone bids another, and they get the actual rights to put it on their streaming service. Hey, that's what it's all about. That's capitalism. But for a consumer, sometimes it's a bit annoying having to have all these streaming things. And you've got Disney Plus, of course, much more children orientated, much more Disney type stuff, some adult movies on there as well. And you've got Roku, slightly different one. This isn't necessarily the actual films and the movies and the box sets. This is the software, digital box, or the stick, as it really is gone from the box to the stick. So this is using actually using their software to stream other companies through. So this is an interesting one, because ultimately if more people use this Roku stick compared to say an Amazon's Fire Stick or a Google Chromecast or any other stream ones, that might be the norm, and it doesn't really matter what service you're using. You can have Amazon Prime, you can have Disney Plus, you can have Netflix, but if you're using a Roku box, then maybe these guys are going to benefit. I don't know. I've not actually used a Roku stick before, but I'm sure many of you guys have. AT&T, HBO Max, not so much in the UK. I don't think we've accessed this particularly, but I know in the US it's super popular. Lots of interesting box sets and movies on HBO and series and docu-series. Netflix, of course, we've all heard of Netflix. I think most people have probably got Netflix. Very, very low price point for quite a lot of, quite a big library. Different library UK and US, which kind of frustrates some people in the UK a lot, and I assume in Europe as well. But again, there's always something generally to watch on Netflix. Reasonable selection movies. I don't know. I'm not really into it all that much, but hey, it's there. It's reasonably cheap. I think most people have got it. Comcast. Now, Peacock isn't available in the UK. However, Sky, now bought by Comcast, was super popular. And if you wanted kind of more channels in the UK rather than our 5, then you can only get 5 over the aerial, so to speak. You can get a Freeview box, which then gave you kind of, I don't know what it was, 30 or so, but you'd have BBC 1, BBC 2, ITV, Channel 4 and Channel 5. That was it for ages. Then we had the Freeview box that came out, and I don't know what, 27, 37 channels. Then if you wanted more kind of premium channels and you wanted to get a bit more interesting TV, because a lot of those Freeview channels were a load of rubbish, to be honest with you. Sky, you have to pay it, and it used to be quite expensive. If you wanted to Sky Sports, so you wanted to watch some of the football, again it's changed now recently, you wanted to watch Formula 1, and then you wanted to watch movies, you had Sky Movies, it was hundreds of pounds a month. And then of course streaming came along. This came through a satellite, by the way, the streaming came along. So Sky has actually teamed up, I believe, with Netflix to do a bit of a combo, so they might be kind of coming back a little bit, because I know a lot of people who were chopping off the Sky saying, hey, I'm not paying £80 a month for all this, I don't use it as much, I'm going to go to Netflix, all I'm interested in is a bit of entertainment now and then, go down to whatever it is, I don't know what it is, £10 a month, £8 a month, £12 a month, something of that order of magnitude. And then Google, finally, of course, YouTube, streaming on YouTube, free video like this, and also premium videos as well. Lots of people, you can buy access to a video and rent access to a video. You know the score, guys. Let me know what you think about these streaming stocks to watch. Have I missed any off? I probably have. So put them in the comment section below. Collective knowledge and all that. It'd be interesting to see what you guys are pinpointing. And also, let me know if you think any of these shouldn't be in here. Am I kind of including one? Is Apple TV going to be that big? You know, Apple's like, sometimes they have a slow start and then really make a lot of money. So maybe they just have a slow start with that. Maybe it's unfair. My thoughts on Apple TV, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comment section below what you think about Apple TV. While you're down there, do check out our channel sponsor, Keep Your Risk Managed, if you're trading these, investing these, or whatever you're doing. You know the score. Take care. Bye-bye.